Hi guys, it's Savas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Google profile picture. So by following this process, you can easily upload your personal picture as a profile picture. So let's get started. So to change Google profile picture, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. So to change profile picture, so you can see three dot at top right corner of the page. So click on it. Now here you can see the option of settings. Click on settings. In the option of settings, you have to click on manage your Google account. Now in this option you have to simply click here to change the profile picture. Here you have to click on add profile picture. So for example I want to add from computer. So I already have downloaded the picture in my laptop. So I will use that picture as my profile picture. So you can also upload your picture from your laptop. But if you don't have any picture, so you can search on internet and download the picture. So to upload picture, here you can see the option of upload from computer. So click on it. So select the picture which you want to upload as a profile picture. So this is the picture that I want to upload as a profile picture. So simply crop the picture and click on save as profile picture. So you can see written profile picture will update soon. So simply click on understood. So you can see we have changed the profile picture. So you can also change the profile picture by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.